I'm Adriana and this is Sportsman 101. Today I'll be showing you how to wrap a abrasion, also called a turf burn. The most common place for a turf burn, especially in football, is in their knee and their elbows. Today we're going to be doing one right above the ankle. First thing you want to do is always put your gloves on when an athlete is bleeding. So you want to give the athlete some gauze to cover their injury. You want to come and if there's any rocks and bits and pieces of turf, you want to wipe from the inside out so that you don't stir the rocks and turf into the injury. So then you want to apply peroxide on there. I'm not going to actually do this, but you apply peroxide. His injury is small, but if it was a larger injury, we would use non-adherent pads to cover the entire injury. For this injury, I would use a smaller band-aid and cover it up. To hold the band-aid in place, because he's going back into practice, we would use stretchy tape. I would wrap this around his band-aid and then use ace tape or white tape to make sure that it's stapled on top. The instructions for you give them for home is you want to make sure that it's clean and that it stays clean, that they go in the shower and scrub it with lots of soap and water and remove the eschar that forms on top. The athlete should return the next day and we should check for signs of infection, which are yellow and green pus around the injury, swelling, reddening of the skin, any pain, and a fever. The next day in practice, we'll come back and repeat this process. That is all.